The Bolivian government admits that so far it has failed in the international campaign to get major pharmaceutical companies to lift, even temporarily, patents on vaccines against COVID-19 in order to contain the spread of the pandemic. Our correspondent Freddy Morales has the story.
Bolivia began the year demanding vaccines against the novel coronavirus. In February, it obtained 25,000 doses of the 14 million it had proposed for the population over 18 years of age. It closes the year with a lot more, 21 million doses. The government has done everything besides bringing vaccines, mass vaccination centers, vaccination tracking, visiting center by center, neighborhood by neighborhood. Now it is up to the population to take responsibility for this vaccination. The availability of vaccines meant the extension of coverage to children over 5 years of age and the application of booster and third doses. Our people who have not been vaccinated. Let's protect the health of our people. We are entering the Christmas period. For 2 years, we have not been able to hug each other, and now we have the possibility to protect our children. But having solved so far the domestic urgencies, the frustration is evident with the so far unsuccessful government campaign at the international level for the release of vaccine patents for mass production in order to ensure worldwide access. We say that if patents on vaccines were not lifted, we were going to have uncertainty that will last for a long time, and we were right. The campaign has not yet taken off, despite the fact that world leaders have promoted it. United States President Joe Biden, Pope Francis and other authorities have joined our calls. But even so, we have not managed to lift patents, and today we have variants such as Omicron, such as Delta. There are critical situations such as those in Africa, where not even 10% of the population has been vaccinated and where Omicron comes from. It is said that it comes from Africa. By extending vaccination from the age of 5 up, Bolivia aims to protect 10 million of its 11 million inhabitants. The so-called fourth wave has been raging for 3 weeks. Since March last year, more than 500,000 cases have been recorded, with more than 19,000 deaths.
Freddy Morales, teleSUR, Bolivia.